Welcome to day number 46, and in today's video, subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe. In today's video, we talk about Amit, Amo, Amodhi, and Amol. So welcome. If you've not been following this series, this is a series of 5 Luo words a day that we give every day, every single day. And we're on day number 46. First word is Amit. Amit. Amit is a species of edible grasshoppers. And in a sentence you can say, Wachamo Amit bang koth manyoro cha. Wachamo Amit bang koth manyoro cha. We're feasting on grasshoppers after yesterday's rain. Second sentence, you can talk about amo. Amo is the rectum. A rectum is the last several inches of the large intestine closest to the anus. And in a sentence, you can say, Dende sanirame bang chiego amo mare e masira. Dende sani rame bang chiego amo mare e masira. Dende sani rame bang chiego amo mare e masira. He has body aches after injuring his rectum in an accident. Third word is amo. Amo, sometimes known as mo or more kich. It's also synonymous to akudini, but amo or more kich is honey. Honey is its initial name is more kich, but some people say amo, mia amo. So that is more kich or honey. The fourth word is amodhi. Amodhi. Amodhi is when you're fighting and it ends up in a draw. So no one has won. Then you say, Thou no ne ogore amodhi. So that fight ended in a draw. Thou no ne ogore amodhi. Thou no ne ogore amodhi. That is a draw. Amodhi. And our final word of the day is amol. Amol. Amol is a trap used for catching quails. Amol. These are not the pictures of a mole though. Amol is a trap used for catching quail. Amol. Good. I hope that you enjoy this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. To support the channel, every thumbs up gives us 10 more people to show the video. And we hope that this video goes to be very famous out there. Otherwise, Oriti. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.